In this video, we're going to have a quick look at the Z-Edge Z3D dual lens dash camera. So this is a perfect dash camera for just having the peace of mind that it can record all the data that you need in case you get in an accident or have a problem on the road. Out of the box, it comes with the main dash camera. It comes with some power cables for both the front and the rear dash cam. It comes with a well-designed suction mount that has the GPS built into it, and it also comes with a 12-volt socket USB power adapter. The dash cam is a great size and it's easy to set up with the mount. For the installation, you'll just want to position the dash cam where you want it before you start wiring it. I suggest doing it near the top. For me, I was able to run the wires all the way around to the back of my minivan without the cables being seen, and there was actually plenty of leftover cable, and so instead of bunching it up like I've done in the past with dash cameras, I just decided to go back and forth a few times so that it's still in the car and hidden. Really, if you put in the time to set this up right, you can basically hide all of the cables almost 100%. I went ahead and I set up the rear camera close to the top so that the cables would not be in the way, and also I kind of like to use this as a backup camera and I can get the wide angle view and see most things with the way I've got the camera angled. Overall, I really like how easy this was to set up and use. To finish off this video, I'm just going to show some footage of both the front and the back camera during different times of the day so you can get an overall idea for what the video quality is like. I will post the Amazon link below so you can check it out for yourself.